Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you're having an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer when you are attempting to use the disk partition utility and you are getting a message that says that there is no media in the specified device. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the disk drives and you just need to right click on the drive you have a problem with and select update driver. Select search automatically for driver and after getting updated close it off here. Now you just need to open up file explorer. On left side select this PC and now you just need to right click on the drive you have problem with and select properties. Select the tools tab and error checking, select the check option. Select scan drive. After finishing this, close it off here. Click on OK. Close it off here and go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select as guys. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to type sfc space slash scannow. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. This will help you to fix corrupted files in your computer guys. This verification need to get 100%, so kindly please wait until this 100% done. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.